How do mind maps assist with reverse language learning? Have you ever wondered how to make learning a new language easier and more effective? One method that stands out is using mind maps, especially for reverse language learning. This approach involves starting with the target language and working backward to understand it better. Let's break down how mind maps can be a game changer in this process. First, mind maps help organize vocabulary and concepts visually. By grouping related words and ideas together, learners can see connections between synonyms and grammatical structures. This visual layout aligns with how our brains naturally process information. For instance, mapping vocabulary by topics helps learners spot patterns that are essential when translating from the target language to their native language. Next, mind maps are great for structuring grammar. They allow learners to visually arrange rules about sentence construction and word order. This layout makes it easier to grasp the grammar needed for reverse learning, where decoding and forming sentences accurately is key. Moreover, mind maps are flexible tools that support various language skills like listening, reading, speaking, and writing. They can help organize information from different sources, such as texts or audio materials. This active engagement encourages learners to decide what to focus on and how to connect ideas. In reverse language learning, where understanding unfamiliar input is vital, this method proves especially helpful. Another benefit of mind maps is that they stimulate creativity. Each time learners use a mind map, they can express their ideas differently. This flexibility builds fluency and confidence in using the language in different contexts. Practically speaking, learners can create mind maps to visualize vocabulary clusters relevant to specific topics. They can also organize grammar rules for easy reference. Additionally, mind maps can help plan and structure speaking or writing tasks by selecting key concepts. Tracking progress and self-assessing comprehension through mapped summaries of listening or reading exercises is another effective use. In summary, mind maps turn abstract language components into clear visual structures. This makes reverse language learning more manageable and efficient. They provide a personalized framework that supports both understanding and active use of the language. By incorporating mind maps into your study routine, you can make learning a new language a more engaging and effective experience.